Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 Platinum in iconic silver, black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4 with the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a reverse camera, and it also has power-deployed running boards as well as cab steps, a spray-in box liner. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, locks, and mirrors. You also have memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you also have massaging seats. And you're seeing these nice leather trim seats and the platinum badging. Quite comfortable. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and with the aid of your power deployed running boards and grab handle, it's super easy to get in. Inside you have your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, as well as your odometer reading, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we've got My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the Beano badging for your audio system, and there's a little bin. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. You've got your 360 camera. We'll just push on there. I'm just waiting for the display to come up. There we go. So you have your different views. Auto stop start for less idle time. Let's come back around again. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. And there it is. And you can touch on the screen for the different options. And again, I'm just waiting for it to load here. It'll just take a second. There we go. You have your audio, and you can go into your sources. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have voice activated navigation, and that's where you're going to see your map. And that'll come up as well. And it's just taking its time. I'm going to go into climate for the moment. You're going to see your dual climate control there, and as well you've got your settings so we can slide through for different options. Things like Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and Apple and automatic updates. Volume and tuner down below. There's your dual climate control. So you can do your climate on the screen, or you can do it down here. Heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, as well as your AC and max AC, and your fans right in the center there. And down below in the cubby, you have a couple of USB outlets. You can just press in the center, it'll close right up. 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And then you have an automatic select shifter, and you're seeing drive mode, that's at DM. You press on that, it'll appear on your dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And that's simply by pushing the buttons. And then you have your lane keeping as well as park assist. A couple of cup holders, you're seeing the lights in the bottom there, those are those clear rings, and they'll light up. And then you've got a very generous sized armrest of storage there. You've got a 12-volt. There's a nice little bin here that you can put in. And close that up. Off to the side is a 12-volt and 110 outlet. You've got a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, universal garage door opener, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And you also have a twin panel moonroof, so we can actually push the button, power it across, and it also has a power screen, so you can control light and air. And then in the body, you've also got a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, power deployed running board, chrome handle with intelligent access, so when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, keyless entry keypad, driver's side Capless easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. When you're in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. Your backup camera is just below that handle. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you simply double click your fob, and it opens it up. Nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you've got a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply the tab right at the base here, and you can then lift up your seats. That gives you more room on the floor. Pull the tab again, and down it comes. And you've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Your seat belts, if you notice, look a little bit different. They're inflatable for better safety. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's carpeted mats on the floor and some pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, there's a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents on each side. And those little red seats are the heated seat controls for back here. You've got a grab handle in the body, lights and hooks up above, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 5.5 foot box side steps, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.